The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall.
Yo, put the phone to it.
Viewers, subscribers, Dancehall there, big up and respect, you know. But just show you a video, you know, a little video clip, and that video clip out on social media is claimed to be a video clip that shows off the dancehall musician or dancehall entertainer, or you can say dancehall artist, the person that goes by the name of Vybz Kartel. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, me look at the video, and you know, me I said that, you know, this looks like Vybz Kartel really and truly, but me still ask the question, is it really Vybz Kartel? You get what me I said to you? You don't know me Seriousskilla, you know. Me not try to just accept things like that, you know. Me deal with confirmed information, you see me? So, me I present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, but me just ask the question if this is really Vybz Kartel. You understand? So let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. You don't know, me love to review the video them. So me I say, yeah, cause me just want the truth behind this thing. Cause me not really and truly just put out information just so unless it confirm the right way. Yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, me have another thing to talk to you about, you see. And you know, me also have a video to show you. And this video I'm going to show you is about something that had happened at the place that is known as the Richmond Farm Correctional Center. You see me? Some people call it the Richmond Farm Prison and them things there. You see me? I say, and this is located in the parish of St. Mary, that is of the country of Jamaica. You see me? Now, according to reports out there, it is said that law enforcers had to be called to help control a situation at the prison on the 5th of April 2020. You see me? Because they said that somewhat of a brawl had happened at the prison between warders and inmates. Now, according to how I understand these reports, you see, it is said that warders were carrying out a routine search, and you know, during that routine search, a cell phone had been discovered in the possession of an inmate. You see me? So during the attempt to take that cellular phone from that inmate, 3 warders said to have been injured and an inmate. You understand? Now, according to reports, they said that these persons had been taken to a medical facility, but however, according to reports, it is said that the injuries were not life-threatening injuries. You understand me? And you know, there might be more information about this whole thing, viewers and subscribers, you see me, because it is said that cellular phone and other things had been found, you know, during the whole search at the correctional facility. So I said to you, like contrabands have been found within the prison. Yes, I said to you, because them do a search and them thing, they search other cells and so forth, and things have been found within the prison, like cellular phone and so on and so on. Alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. You see me? Actually, I'm going to leave this video with you, because you don't know me Dancehall. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it, make you know what go on. But before I show you this video, viewers and subscribers, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Alright, and if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. So here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Eat and beat him and both of the whole man facing watch it.
Watch it. Richmond prison, here for cool going on, watch it. Watch it. Watch it in Richmond prison, here for cool going on there. In the corner, in the corner, in the corner, here for cool going on Richmond prison. You need to come down and do for cool going on Richmond prison. Look at them dirty youth and the youth for nothing at all. Look at them dirty youth and the youth for nothing at all. It's burning it, it's burning it. Look there, all of them. All of them. All of them, Eddie, all of them. It's a Francis. It's a Kilo. Eddie. All of them. Boy, Eddie, boy, you. Francis, all of them.